it do, YouTube? It's your girl KT, and I'm back with another video reviewing the Domino's app. So right off the bat, go ahead and download the Domino's app. Once you've downloaded the Domino's app, it should take you to the home screen. So this is one of the first things that's going to pop up, the Get Back and Track. So right here, you can decide if you want notifications about your order. This way you can keep track of your orders every step throughout the process. And this is actually something that I've never seen before. So usually on the home screen, it's just a picture in the background. But we actually have a video here, which is really cool. It shows one of Domino's pizzas, desserts, and you know you gotta have your salads. The next step for your mobile order on the Domino's app is creating an account. To start, hit join now. Now, to get a piece of the rewards, this is the breakdown. For every $10 that you spend, you get 10 reward points. To further create your account, go ahead and enter the following information: first name, last name, phone number, and email. Then, confirm your email address again, and create a password. This is where you enroll. Now to enroll, select the box. Now a little bit further down, if you would like emails of offers from Domino's, select the box. If not, unselect the box. Once you've done that, hit create an account. To start your order, you have two options: delivery or carry out. For this example, I'm going to select carry out. So another great feature that the Domino's app has is that it shows you the store that's closest to you. Now, if you don't want that store, you can type in the address or the zip code and your store should pop up. So you can either have your order started as soon as possible, or you can have it started an hour from now. With carryout, you can either have a store pickup or you can have curbside pickup. I'm gonna select store pickup. That way I can just walk in, grab my pizza, and leave. So me personally, whenever I can save a few extra bucks, I'm gonna do it. So let's go ahead and look at the coupons that Domino's has. Some of these coupons might be based off of your store's location. All these coupons that you see here are based off of my store's location. They also have national coupons as well. I'm going with the 2 or more large 2-topping pizzas. From here, you can go ahead and customize your pizza. If you're done with your order, hit done with this coupon. Now if you want to order something else, hit add another item to this coupon. If you want to add anything else to your cart, you can go ahead and do so here. If not, go ahead and click the cart button. Go ahead and review your order and make sure that everything looks okay. Now, the Domino's app does charge extra for their sauces. So if you don't want the extra charge, go ahead and remove the sauces. If everything looks good, go ahead and click checkout. The final step of your order is adding your payment method. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.